Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome in the maths class of grade 1. This is your weekly video. In this video, we will start our new chapter 3 addition to 10. Before I start this chapter, so let's start the chapter. Firstly, what is addition? Addition is bring two or more numbers together and make a new total. एडिशन का मतलब होता है कि दो और दो से ज़्यादा टू और मोर देन टू नंबर्स और थिंग्स जो हैं उनको एक साथ रखना और उससे एक नया टोटल बनाना. इन मैथ्स देर आर 4 ऑपरेशन. एडिशन इज़ अ फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन. सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल लर्न एडिशन इन 3 ways. फर्स्ट, एडिशन ऑन फिंगर. सेकेंड, एडिशन ऑन नंबर लाइन. एंड थर्ड, एडिशन ऑन नंबर बॉन्ड. So let's start addition on finger. See, we all know that we have 5 numbers in our one hand. So firstly we will count the numbers in one hand. 1 2 3 4 5. So we will write 5. Now count the number in another hand. 1 2 3 4. So we will write 4. Now count the whole number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So the answer will be 9. Now let's move on the second method of addition, that is number line. So in number line we have, you can see we have two numbers here. Firstly we will find out the greater number. In 5 and 4, 5 is greater number, so we will find out 5 number in number line. And as you can see we will have to add 4 in number 5, so we will go forward 4 times. 4 times we will go in forward direction. Then which number we will get? Number 9. So answer will be 9. So number line में आप हमेशा ये याद रखेंगे कि नंबर लाइन के अंदर हम जो ग्रेटर नंबर है उसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे और जो स्मॉलर नंबर है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम उतना ही हम फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव करेंगे. Now next is addition using number bond. See, to understand this we will take a example. Girls at the party, 2 more girls join the party. As you can see there are 5 girls in the party and 2 more girls join the party. How many girls are there in all? So we will check the all number of girls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there are 7 girls in the party. Now we will write this addition in the form of number bond and in the form of addition sentence. As you all know, in the form of number bond, in the topmost box we will write the whole and total number, and in this box we will write the part. So the whole number of girls are 7, and here we will write part 1 and part 2. And now we will write this addition in addition sentence form. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. Here plus means put together and equals to means same. That means 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. So इस तरह से हम नंबर बॉन्ड की फॉर्म में एडिशन को करेंगे. ठीक है. Now move on the next topic. Adding two number. To understand this we will take a example. There are 3 birds sitting on a tree. 2 more birds join. एज़ यू कैन सी यहाँ पर 3 बर्ड्स हैं और जो 2 और बर्ड्स होती हैं वो इन 3 बर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करती हैं. सो द नंबर ऑफ होल बर्ड्स आर 1 2 3 4 5. सो द नंबर ऑफ होल बर्ड्स आर 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Now you can write the addition in this form as well as in this form, but this method is more convenient than this method. That's why we use this method. Okay. Now next topic is adding 0. Now we will see what happened when we add 0 in any number. See, Tina has 5 fishes in her fish tank. टीना के पास 5 fishes हैं fish tank में. She adds 0 fishes to the tank, and she adds 0 fishes. That means no fishes to the tank. How many does she have in all? So ओवरऑल टीना के पास फिश टैंक में कितनी फिशेज़ हैं? लेट्स काउंट. सी, यहाँ पर 5 फिशेज़ हैं एंड टीना एट 0 फिशेज़. दैट मीन्स नो फिशेज़. सो 5 फिशेज़ एंड टीना एट्स 0 फिशेज़. That means 0. 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. That means when we add 0 in any number then answer will remain same. ओके जब हम किसी भी नंबर में 0 ऐड करते हैं तो आंसर जो होता है वो सेम ही रहता है. ओके नाउ मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. Next topic is adding three numbers. To understand this, we will take an example. As you can see, there is one hen in a garden. Three more hens join in. यहाँ पर one hen है garden में, three more hens जो हैं वो इन्हें join करती हैं. So the number of hens are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now two more hens join them. जो ये 4 hens का जो group है अब इन्हें 2 और hens जो हैं वो join करती हैं. So the number of whole hens are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number is 6. So in this, firstly we will combine this number 3 and 1 and write the total. And now in this total we will combine the other number and the answer will be 6. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So this is a whole summary of what is addition and adding two numbers, adding three numbers, and what happened when we add 0 in it. Thank you everyone. Thank you for staying with me.